Namaste everyone, this is Jayashree. Welcome to Veg Express with Jayashree. Every state has their own festival, has their own food, has their own culture and dance form, right? Today, one of my Kerala friend is going to showcase a Kerala dish, Avial. Okay, let us welcome her. Welcome Lakshmi. Really, we are excited to see your dish.
Hello everyone, Lakshmi here. So today I am going to prepare Avial, Kerala's most delicious food, and a symphony of flavors. Avial's unique flavor profile comes from the combination of coconut oil, curry leaves, and this dish is typically made with a mix of vegetables like a carrot, drumstick, raw banana, then which are cooked in a coconut-based gravy. So I am very excited to share this in Jayashree ma'am's cookery channel, Jayashree's Veg Express. Let's get on with the preparation. Welcome to my kitchen. These are the ingredients: vegetables, drumstick, raw banana, beans, carrot, then one small piece bitter gourd, then grated coconut, curd, chili powder, turmeric powder, 2-3 shallot or sambar onion, then green chili, curry leaves, then coconut oil. Add chopped vegetables, turmeric, salt and little water in a pan and cook it. Now boil this for 10 minutes.
Namaste everyone. Today's thought. Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Have a nice day. Love you all. This is Jayashree.
Now add this mixture of coconut, green chili, then shallot. Now mix it well. Add 2-3 spoons curd. Now finally curry leaves. Then 2 teaspoons coconut oil. So my avial is ready here. It is very delicious, very healthy, and it is very good with a portion of rice. Thank you.
It was so delicious and really nutritious also because we are adding so many vegetables in it. Thank you so much. Hope to see you more Kerala dishes and we are really waiting for that. Hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share your comments in the comment box. Hope to see you soon. Next week we are meeting you here again in the same channel. Bye bye. See you. Love you all. Jayashree.